Hello. Hi, good evening, everyone. I think we are live now. So, I welcome you all to OLYMP TRADE's today's webinar. As you all know, today we are going to learn the Rodeo strategy, which is one of my personal favorite strategies when it comes to fixed time trading, and you can also use the Rodeo strategy in forex trading. So, without wasting any further time, let us start learning about the strategy. Karnam Rawatji, hello, a very good evening. And Nicholas, okay, I will show you how trading works, how you can make profitable, accurate trades. So let us start talking about the rodeo strategy. So what you need to do is, in order to apply the strategy, you need to go in the technical analysis section. In the technical analysis section, you will then go to the trading strategy section. In the trading strategy section, you will find rodeo strategy in the expert strategies. So, guys, if you are already have achieved the expert status on the platform, the rodeo strategy is going to be available for you pre-designed. Okay. However, if you have not achieved the expert status yet, I will show you what are the manual settings which you can apply onto the chart in order to get the rodeo strategy. So you will click on rodeo. Rodeo strategy is one of the traders' favorites. As I told you, it is also my personal favorite. It is a counter trend strategy that relies on Heikin-Ishi candle. We will be using Heikin-Ishi candle here, and stochastic and MACD indicators. So Heikin-Ishi's color change is the key indication. Whenever the Heikin-Ishi candle will change its color, it will be one of the key indicators that suggests a coming trend change. For example, that whenever the Heikin-Ishi candle is changing its color after a long ongoing trend, whether it is an upward trend or a downtrend, if the Heikin-Ishi candle suddenly changes its color, it is a signal that the price might change its direction now. Okay, so oscillators are used as a confirmation here. So you can also watch the short video later to revise the strategy which we are going to learn today. So now we will enable the strategy. As soon as I enable the strategy, you can see that the chart is now changed into Heikin-Ishi candles. So here also we can see that the candle has changed its color. Previously green candles were appearing. Now there is a red candle on the chart, and the stochastic is also indicating downside. MACD is also almost below the zero line. So we can open a downside trade here. Okay, we can open a downside trade here. I will open a downside trade for 10 US dollars for 5 minutes. Let us try to find more entries. Please remember, guys, in the Heikin-Ishi candles, one of the key indicators of the trend change is when the Heikin-Ishi candle will change its color. Okay, here also I think that the candle very soon might change its color into a red candle, and if the candle changes its color, if the next candle, is if this red candle is followed by another red candle which closes into red only, then we will open a downside trade. So let us wait for the next candle and let us see the price movement in the next candle. If the next candle also closes as a red candle, then we will open a downside trade for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. So if this particular red candle closes as a red candle only, then we will open a downside trade. The stochastic has also given the indicator here. The MACD has almost also given the indicator. So either you can wait for the candle or you can enter in the trade right now. This is a 3-minute trade again for $10. Hi Adan, very good morning. Hi Robu, hello. I welcome you all to today's webinar. We are discussing the rodeo strategy here, and as I told you, whenever the Heikin-Ishi candle will change its color, and if it is followed by another candle with the same color, then we can open a trade. So we have entered into 2 trades here. Both of the trades are giving profitable results as of now. Hi Martino. Hello Bilasji. Good evening. So we have opened 2 trades, and guys, In the rodeo strategy, the Heikin candles are used, and in the Heikin candlestick pattern, whenever there is a change in the color of the candle, we can open a trade at that point. It should be followed by the same candle. I mean, the next candle also should be of the same color. Good evening, Manish ji. Shiraz ji, good evening. I'm fine. How about you? Said ji, good evening. Hello. Okay, let us wait for these two trades to close. Then we will make another two trades. Both of these trades are showing profitable results. Guys, if you have any doubts regarding the Heikin candle, please feel free to mention in the live chat. Robbie, I'm not sure what your question is. Can you please be more clear with your question? Rohanji, trading is not at all hard to learn. It is very easy. Just remind that consistency and discipline is the key. So both of these trades are showing us profitable results. Guys, if you have any confusion regarding the working of the Heikin candles, do let me know. After these two trades, we will try to find another entries. So as I told you that whenever the Heikin candle changes its color, and if it is followed by another candle of the same color, then we can open a trade in that particular direction. This one also, the Heikin candle changed its color, it was followed by a candle of the same color, then we entered into a trade and we are winning both of these trades very comfortably. Rohanji, price action is always superior, but it doesn't mean that you should, neglect the working of the indicators and oscillators. Both of these should be going hand in hand. You should also have understanding of the price action, and you should also use the right tools on the chart, which is right set of indicators and oscillators. So both of these, you should take care of both of these. So let us try to find some more entries. We won two trades, two out of two trades we won. Here also we could have entered. See the Heikin candle, it changed its color, and with this change, we can always enter into a trade. The stochastic indicator, which is shown at the bottom of the chart, if the blue line is intersecting the orange line, at that point you also you can make a trade. See, now a green candle has appeared on the chart. Sorry, a red candle has appeared on the chart, and if it is followed by another red candle, and if the next candle also closes as a red candle, then we can enter into the trade. If this candle in particular, the next candle which has started, if this also closes as a red candle, then we can enter into a downside trade. Backbenchers, I would suggest you please contact the support department. Hi Aju Trade. Saurabh, we will soon have a webinar where I will be teaching you, or some other expert will be teaching you about the candlestick formations, candlestick psychology, and everything. Today's topic is rodeo strategy, and right now we are trading with 100% accuracy. So let us try to find some more entries now. Here, candle has changed its color. I think we can make 1 minute trade in the downward direction, considering the intersection of the blue line with the orange line stochastic. Okay, I think this trade might not close in our favor, but we should wait. If we lose this trade, we can activate the martingale process. I mean, if we lose this trade, which is for $10, the next trade I will make for $20 or $30, activating the martingale principle, martingale formula, and at any point if we I win a trade, the previous losses will be recovered. Backbenchers, I'm really sorry about your disappointing experience with the support department. I request you to contact them once again. If there is still no response, if you have advanced and expert status on the platform, you can contact your manager. I'm using the Heikenesse chart here. We are using the Rodeo strategy and we have lost this trade. So as I told you, if you lose a particular trade, you can activate the martingale process. The next trade I will make for $20 so that the previous loss is also recovered and we get some profit as well. Here also a red candle has appeared on the chart, which means that the Heikenesse candle has changed its color. So we can enter into a downside trade. There is an intersection of the stochastic as well at the bottom. So a downside trade here for 1 minute. Yeah, some traders are having an option of making 5-second trades on some assets, and soon there will be an update on the platform considering this. I mean, we will all be soon be able to open 5-second trades on some assets, so we should wait for the update. Rohanji, I suggest you can start with 100 US dollars or 10,000 INR if you are trading in INR currency. So we won this trade. The previous loss, it has been recovered, and we have also made a profit of $6. Now let us try to find some more entries. Euro against Australian dollar. Okay, let us look at the currency pair. Yeah, here we do have an opportunity, but I think that we have missed the opportunity. But still, I'm going to make a trade here for 3 minutes or for 5 minutes in the upward direction. A trade could have been made here. There was a perfect opportunity. Yes, very good. Karnam Rawat, good observation. You could have entered at the second candle here, and you would have won the trade if you would have entered at the second candle. However, at this point, I think that I have made a late entry since the candle has again changed its color. So we can also exit the trade while we have the option. But I think we should wait here. If you are having expert or advanced status on the platform, you can contact the support department. They will arrange a callback for you from your assigned manager. Okay, if we lose this trade, again I will activate the Martingale principle. Thomas, due to some reason, I think he was not available for today's webinar. I see that you are missing him. So soon he will be delivering you these webinars. Let us try to find some more entries. Here also a trade could have been made, but I think that we have missed this opportunity as well. Success ratio of Martingale strategy. I think that you are not sure what you are asking here, sir. Can you please specify your question? Martingale principle is based on this assumption that we are going to win at least one out of 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10 trades considering your capital. If you even win one trade, then your whole situation will turn into profitable situation. For example, we are losing $10 here, and if I make the next trade for $20, let me show you on the Quickler asset. If I make the next trade here for $20, changing it to candlestick, my previous loss will be recovered along with some profit. 20 USD, 15-second candle. Whatever the color of the next candle will be, I will make the trade in that particular direction. Okay, red, a downside trade. We lost this trade, so now we have to again increase the amount, use the Martingale principle here. Green, we lost this trade as well, so again we have to increase the amount considering the Martingale principle. Guys, you should always follow your Martingale, according to your capital. Okay, since I have a bigger capital, I can follow the Martingale according to my capital. Wherever we win a particular trade, the previous losses will be recovered. So this is how the Martingale principle works. See, what was the total loss? 20 plus 50, 70 plus 120, 290. Sorry, 190. 70 plus 120, 190. The total profit which this trade gave us was 240. So the overall situation is profitable by $50. This is how Martingale works. Okay, so now we will again come back to the base amount. Guys, if you have any question relating to the Rodeo strategy, please feel free to ask in the live chat. Rohanji, your discipline makes trading easy. Okay, you should always be disciplined and follow your rules and regulations. GBP AUD. Okay. Heiken-Ishi candlesticks. I don't think that we have an entry here since the price is very volatile. Unfortunately, we don't have any hot girls in here, but we do have a very hot trading strategy that we are discussing today. Okay, so the overall situation is profitable by almost $60. We have earned $60 in this session. Let us aim towards $100. Let us try to find an entry. Okay, here the candle has changed its color and it was followed by a candle of similar color. So I have entered a down trade for 1 minute. Now this trade is for $10. Yes, Martingale is a very good trading principle indeed, and you can use it if you are having sufficient capital in your account. Let us wait for this trade to close. If we win this trade, we will continue with the same amount, the base amount. If we lose this trade, we will activate the Martingale process. At any point, if you win a trade, the previous losses are getting recovered using the Martingale and you will return to your base amount always. Guys, if you have any confusion relating to the Rodeo strategy, please feel free to mention in the live chat. If you want to talk about anything else, if you have any questions in general relating to the platform, please feel free to mention in the live chat. If you have some trades which you want to suggest, please feel free to mention in the live chat. So this trade also we won. Rohanji, according to some countries' rules and regulations, there are certain rules and regulations of different countries, and it doesn't comply with the platform service agreement and everything. That is why it is not allowed to trade in countries like US, maybe. But it is not that in the developed countries it is not allowed. There are just certain rules and regulations of some countries which might not be allowing traders to trade on the platform. Here also we could have made an entry, but we missed it unfortunately. Okay, let us start the list from bottom. KTM Duke, how to find what rules and regulations in a country? I'm not sure what your question is. Can you please be more specific? Guys, we are looking for another entry maybe. Let us see where the Heiken candle has changed its color recently. Okay, Asia Composite Index, the candle has changed its color into a red candle, and the stochastic is also giving an indication. So I think we can enter into a downside trade here. I'm really sorry. I am trying to be as loud as I can be. Am I audible now? Some tip for Quickler. Yes, I do have some tips for Quickler. For Quickler, you need a bigger capital as compared to when trading on the 1+ minute time frame. You need a bigger capital to trade on Quickler, and also you can follow the Martingale principle on Quickler. I'll show you how it is done. Let us switch to Quickler. I'll show you what strategy we can use on the Quickler asset. Change the chart to 15 second. Okay. First of all, change it to Japanese candlestick. Then change the chart to 15-second time frame. Then let us wait for the next candle to appear. I will make it for $20 to make the recovery of the previous trade. Whatever will be the color initially shown by the candle, I will make the trade in that particular direction. So this candle showed us green color initially. So I entered into an upside trade. We won this trade. We won some profit. Okay, again I'll show you. We'll start from 5 now. Next candle. Okay, red. So a downside trade. We won this trade, so we will stick to the same amount, $5. Next trade on the next candle, red again, so again a downside trade. Okay, we lost this one. Next trade for $12 using the Martingale principle. Next candle is a green one, so an upside trade. We lost this also, no worries. Next trade for $28. Next candle, green candle again, so an upside trade. So we won this trade, the overall situation profitable by $5. Again, I will return to the base amount, 5 USD. So change the chart into 15-second time frame, and whenever a new candle appears, whatever the candle color is showing initially in the very first second, you can make the trade in that particular direction. We won this one as well. So we are very close to completing our target of 100 USD for the day for this session. We all need almost 18 USD. So let us try a trade for $30 then. Okay, we lost this trade unfortunately. Now we will use the Martingale principle, Martingale formula here. Won this trade, and we have completed the target for the day. Almost, I think. Let us see. We will see the Martingale application as well. So we started from here, 17, 7, 23, 3, minus 47, minus 167, then plus 73, minus 53, plus 61, okay, 77, 81, 86, 90, yeah, $100 target we have achieved, and I think we can call it a day. It was a good trading session. We earned a profit of 100 USD. In order to control your emotions while trading, Rohanji, you should always, make some certain rules and regulations for yourself, and you should always follow those rules very strictly. Rodeo strategy, okay, let us try to find some more entries using the rodeo strategy. Okay, here also we have had an entry, but we missed it. It is very important for you to take the right entry. See, the candle changed its color. A green candle appeared, then it was followed by another green candle. Here we could have made an entry on the upside. 3 to 5 minutes. I am really sorry about your loss. I hope that you recover your money soon. You can take a fresh start with a good capital, sizable capital, and follow martingales to make recoveries. Abhishek ji, very soon the deposit methods will be as they were working previously. We just discussed the strategy for Quickler, Sadhna Tripathi ji. Masloon, need more about how to trade. Yeah, sure. You can, just tune into the webinars on the global channel, and you can watch the previously posted videos as well if you want some more information on how to trade, if you want to learn some strategies. And we will be soon coming up with more of these webinars where we will be discussing more important topics like candlestick psychology, candlestick formation, economic calendar, money management, risk management. All of these topics we will be discussing. We will be learning all the strategies which are there available on the platform. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Maybe press the bell icon if you want to get an update whenever there will be a webinar. And if you like these webinars, you can like the video as well, share the videos. Sadhana ji, I think that if you are trading in the INR currency, you relate to the currency more. So I think if you are an Indian, if you are trading from India, you should trade in the INR currency. Trading psychology helps a lot, Rohanji. Basically, I mean, it is all about your psychology, how strong you have, how strong, your mindset is, how strong your discipline is. When it comes to fixed time trading, the most important factor which will be making you profitable is your trading mindset and the psychology part. Guys, we learned about the rodeo strategy today. We learned about the money management principle Martingale today. We learned about the Quickler asset strategy today. So if you have any questions relating to all these things, please feel free to mention in the live chat. I'm waiting for your questions. Backbenchers, hi. Is it safe to use OLYMP trade? Yes, since depositing options keep changing. Depositing options keep changing due to a lot of factors, but don't worry, it is completely safe to trade on the platform. I myself have a lot of money deposited on the platform, so do not worry. And just like you, millions of traders worldwide are trading on the platform, so don't worry at all. Just focus on your learning part and your discipline part and try to be profitable. Guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to mention in the live chat. Two more trades in Rodeo. Okay. I think we have an entry in basic dollar index. So I'm making a downside trade in basic dollar index. Trade duration is 1 minute only. If I lose this trade, I might go for the trade again in the downward direction using the Martingale principle. There is a 10 gap difference because since this is a live stream, there can be a slight gap. Shanu Bhatt, I'm really sorry about the inconvenience. I suggest you please contact the support department in case. Both forex and fixed time trading both are good, but depending upon your trading style, I think you should consider talking to an expert. If you have achieved the advanced or expert status on the platform, you can book one-on-one session with a trading expert on the platform. Just contact the support department to have this one-on-one session with the expert. Okay, we lost this trade. Again, I'm trying for a downside trade using the Martingale principle. I'm really sorry, Mr. Bhatt. If you have an expert status on the platform, you can have one-on-one consultation with this session and maybe they'll help you out. But most probably, okay, if you have expert status, there is this hotline also activated for you. You can get support via phone call. So this trade also did not go in our favor. Now we have to use the Martingale, third step of the Martingale principle. Let us once more switch to the Quickler asset. So the situation is now profitable. We have almost earned 112 USD in this session. That is not what I meant, Mr. Bhatt. I am really sorry about the inconvenience. Please contact the support department. You can contact the support department from the help section here. Support, ask a specialist via chat, and someone from the support department will be helping you out. Okay. Okay, guys, I think that you guys have no more questions relating to the strategy. So thank you so much for joining today's webinar. It was really nice having this session with you and all my fellow traders who are from India. I wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance. God bless you and your family. I wish that you have a profitable journey on the platform. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Take care. I will see you soon, maybe in the upcoming webinar. If you guys have any questions, anything you want to ask, you can contact the support department. If you have advanced and expert status on the platform, you can have this session one on one, maybe with me also, if I am having a slot available, or maybe with some other expert. So thank you so much for joining. Take care. Maybe I'll see you soon. All the very best. Bye bye.